Oh, damn, I thought they were going to my neighborhood. Oh, I know where he's going. He's going to that can over there. They need to come dump my neighborhood because the driver on Monday he skipped one of the dumpsters, and our dumpsters are overflowing. Well, now both of them are. And for those who are wondering, yes, those are BCS dumpsters. He just dumped that one down there. I ain't mean to talk through this, but I was on my way to the stove, and I heard it. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna turn back around. But it's no point in me even. But really, it's no point in me even walking to the store now because my sister's gonna help me order my shit. So I ain't even gotta walk to the store now. But I said, why not let me stop and catch this truck? I don't know where he going after this, but hopefully it's up there in my neighborhood. Any background noise you hear is cars passing by me because there's a road beside me, and lawnmowers in the background. I hope the sound picked up well, although I know I was talking good. I'm hoping the sound picked up. And then also, not too long ago, I just seen the Waste Management front loader truck go past on the highway up there, but I couldn't. It happened right after I stopped filming, and by the time I was ready to put my phone back up to get it, it was already way over that way. You couldn't even see it. Another car passing by. Okay, I thought he was gonna back up out, but he's just waiting now. And by the way, that's the pancake house over there. And the store he just jumped at, that's a little gas station. And the other place he jumped across over there, I don't know what the hell it is. But yeah. So it appears that it might be blocked in by cars. So that's what I'm waiting on now. Oh, he's picking it up again. Nope, he's going down. He's not going up. I thought he was. I was hoping that they were going. I was hoping that they were going. I can't even talk. I was hoping that they were going to come dump our cans today, but I guess not. Well, I guess you could say we got this little video. Whoop, there it goes. He's out of here. Time to get my ass to the house now before my order gets here. Yeah. I couldn't miss this opportunity. I heard the truck. I said, I gotta record. We got another truck, y'all. Right after I got done filming, whatever, I heard this truck, but I didn't get to make it in time. I didn't get to make it in time. But I'm finna show you where he was at. He dumped that can way over there. But yeah, I ain't make it in time. So better luck next time. But tomorrow, I'm trying to catch the truck tomorrow. So yeah.